Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how to trade cryptocurrency on Bybit. We're going to look at how to buy and sell crypto coin on Bybit because I've had a lot of questions about how a lot of my esteemed followers saying that I'm new or I'm a novice on this very exchange. How do I buy and sell cryptocurrency? Okay. So this is what bring me to this lecture today. So before I dive into that quickly, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. And also, if you like returning viewers and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can find value from this amazing content. So please, let's quickly dive into that. But what you must understand is that before you trade, you must understand that you have a verified Bybit account or any other exchange. But today we're using Bybit as a case study. Okay. So, and if you do not have any Bybit accounts, I will drop a link at the description section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up. And let's keep doing this. Okay. And before you trade, one thing very important, you must understand that your account must be funded. Okay. Even $5, $7. If this is your first time, if you are new to trading, actually, I don't advise you invest much. Just be putting little by little so that you can see how the trading is going on. Okay, you can use little by little in order for you to study the trade. So we're gonna quickly dive into that. So all you just need to do is to come to sports. I made a video the other time about derivatives, so I'm showing about sport today. So the first thing you just need to do is to make sure you come to sport. If you come to sports, you're going to come to this place to make a choice of the coin you want to trade. Okay, you click here to make a choice of the coin you want to trade, right? So you're going to click there. If you click there, you see a lot of coins. There's BTC, there's ETH, XRP, SOL, which is Solana, there's Catisim, Pepe, USDC, MNT, SEU, Doge, Apex, SEI, and WIF, and so on. Okay, so in this place, you're going to make a choice and start trading. Okay, you're going to make your choice and start trading. So for today, for the sake of this tutorial, my choice is hamster, because hamster is a new baby in town that's going to do well according to my studies and the other research I've made. Okay, so I'm using hamster today. So this is actually the hamster combat, and all you just need to do is to make sure you have funded your account, as I said earlier. So you're going to come to this place to click on buy, or you click on this place to take you to the trade platform. Okay, so I'm going to click on this very place to take me to the trade platform. So on this place now, you can come to this place to click on buy. Okay, we're already here. You're going to click on buy. It's already here as well. So what you just need to do is to input your volumes here, or you click on this place to drag to this place in order to take the full number. Okay, in order to take your full volume, that is your whole volume, you're going to use your whole volume to buy it. So this 11.9232 USDT, which is you're going to get 291, oh sorry, 2091 equivalent. Okay, so let's see quickly what we're going to get from this. So the next thing you're just going to do is to input the volume here. I have 11.9, or you're going to click, let's input the volume and see 11.923271.9. Okay, or you're going to click on this place to drag, or you just click on this place to like drag and get what exactly you want. Okay, so you're going to touch this place in order for you to buy at this very rate. Okay, you're going to touch here to buy at this very rate. So you drag everything here, which is 11.9, and you're going to click on buy. Okay, so the moment you click on buy, everything is going to change. Let's see. No, So you're gonna going to click on buy. Okay, if you buy, if you just click on buy, then the first thing it will show in orders here, right? The first show in orders here, because this has not yet been executed. Okay, if it is executed, it will now be under your assets, right? So it's showing in orders currently, because the trade is not yet what? It's not yet executed. And the moment it's executed, everything will be okay, and you will now be in the trade and be facing profits or loss. Okay, and if you still want to sell, this is the same thing you're going to do. You either click on sell, right, or you click on this trade to take you to the buy and sell, to take you to the trade. Click on here. You see, if you're gonna go into sell, this is exactly what you do as well. You're gonna go into follow the procedure, fill in whatever you have here, 5,296.60. You're gonna go into fill it here, or you're gonna go into drag here this again, or you're gonna go into drag this again to this place to fill in everything. Okay, so I always encourage you to use this as long as you're not going to sell parts, right? So you click on this place again. If you click on this place again, it's going to be sold. It's going to be sold. Sorry, and if you click on there and it's sold, if it is executed, it will be completely. But if it is not executed immediately because of the market rapid change, it will also be showing here in order. Okay, it will also be showing here in order, and you can either cancel it or modify it. Okay, so that is it. If you do have any question, do not forget to drop it at the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much. Do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.